Hello all and welcome to my channel with your host Bryce Echoes. Well, we are on part 2 of the saga that is the lemon shark sculpture. Last video we did the mouth. You can see here, functions well. In this video we will do the teeth, which I've decided to make out of stone, not just any stone, flint. And the process to make these teeth will be done through flint knapping, one of my other gifts. Gonna whittle them down to something about this size. Not sure if you can see it, but you get a good look at it when we're doing it. And then make way for the next step, which will be attaching the teeth to the mouth, which will be the next video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the latest addition to the Leopard's Commune. Alright, so making the teeth out of the flint through flint knapping, and to do so we need tools, knapping tools in particular. I have before me are the tools we'll be using for the job. This is a pressure flaker. Helps with the fine work and the finer details you'll see for finishing touches. The billet, which would be most important for the big rock. Break off small pieces that we can work from and make them into the teeth. And the pieces would be called flakes, of course. And another pressure flaker, something smaller and for better work, of course. A brayer stone to dull the sharp edges so we don't cut ourselves. Leather mats to do all the work on so the flakes don't go everywhere. Another mat for a mat with a rubber mat holder surface. Piece of rubber to put it on to take in all the force from the initial pressure flaking. So we get started. I got my leather mat placed over my thighs to do the work on. And now I present the flint rock, the material that we will be making the teeth out of. Rock. And we'll use this to chip away at the rock to make flakes that we will turn into teeth.
can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at. Ain't turning back around. You can't stop me. No. You can't stop me. All the blood, sweat, and sacrifice. Oh, I paid the dearest price. And no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. But my time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at. Ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, 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 no. You can't stop me now. This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going now. Ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, you can't stop me now. No, 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 you can't stop me. You can't stop, no, you can't stop me. No, 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 you can't stop me now. You can't tell me the deck is stacked. You can't whisper behind my back. You can't show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at. Ain't turning back around. You can't stop me. No. You can't stop me. All the blood, sweat, and sacrifice. Oh, I paid the dearest price. And no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at. Ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie up to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going now. You turn it back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, can't stop me now. No, 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 you can't stop me. You can't stop, no, you can't stop me. No, 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 you can't stop me now. No, no, you can't stop me now. This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie up to the ground. Can't stop me now.
Well, here they are. All of our teeth that we'll be needing for the next step. The teeth that give this whole thing a realistic feel. So, the next step, next video will be about attaching the teeth to the mouth and then go from there. Hope you all enjoyed. Like or subscribe. Till next time, stay well and have a good one.